Hello, my name is Katherine Keppel. My third grade classroom is unique because a colleague and I decided to open up the dividing wall that separated our two classrooms and have one large open classroom with two teachers. There are 37 students in our classroom. Third graders study these four different ancient civilizations. Students are expected to be able to locate, describe their environment, identify contributions, and compare the civilizations. This unit provided me with the opportunity to promote 21st century skills by having my students use technology to search, sort, analyze, and synthesize their information. Later, they applied their new learning in creating a display to demonstrate their understanding. What better way to have students learn the information than to use technology to travel back in time? Students were given a passport to record their information as they traveled back to each civilization. In this unit, students use books, websites, videos, and a hypermedia presentation to gather information. I created this hypermedia presentation through Microsoft PowerPoint. I enjoy using hypermedia because it allows for students to learn through all different forms and essentially choose their own path for their learning. Let me show you. Students climb aboard the space shuttle and choose their destination. Let's travel to ancient Egypt. Students enter the Tourist Information Center, and then they are provided with choices. They can learn more about the land, or the contributions. Also, students are given an opportunity to watch a video. The video's images and vocabulary-based text allow for students to get a comprehensive and unique perspective of each ancient civilization. Additionally, students write a postcard from each civilization about what they have learned. This will be one way I can assess student understanding. Students visit each of the four civilizations to gather information. Before returning home to Earth, they are reminded to complete a postcard from each. The hypermedia trip through time is one tool of many available to students to research information. Students' passports were scored using a rubric. After completing the research, students applied their new knowledge by creating a museum display about one of the ancient civilizations. These projects were also scored using a rubric. Projects demonstrated that students learning about each civilization had extended well beyond the essential knowledge of the unit. The technology tools integrated in this unit enrich students' learning by providing students with an experience that would not have otherwise been possible. These tools help to break down the walls of the classroom and make students' learning come to life.